ng mga mag-uumpisa para sa dalawang koponan. Para po sa San Miguel Beer, also maganda yung pasang yun. Pero Ray Evangelista medyo nag-alala kasi alam niya si Freddy Abuda. Samantala, malayo yung tira ni Daniel Defosa. Ito si Derek Brown, lumusot. Tuloy-tuloy off the break. Derek Brown sa binabatingan ni Alvin Patrimonio. Nilabas kay Danny Siegel for the open three-point shot. At sa PLDT IDD long. Bintis ni Dindo Pumaren, Derek Brown nagpapakamatay sa ilalim para sa Pure Foods TJ. Hindi nga ito talagang rumatsada ng first few games sa San Miguel. Pumasok pa rin sa finals ang kanyang koponan.
The year sa Providence College, he shot 81% from the line. So he's supposed to be a good free-throw shooter. Yung Blanca.
Di kuya. Andy. Super Volcasil tapal by Andy Siegel on Danny Siegel. At yan naman si Derek Brown inside.
Game which San Miguel needed to win.
Ganda ng pasa ni Derek Brown to Andy Siegel. Look away pass. Narito si Danny Mole against his brother. Medyo nahihirapan siya sa depensa ni Andy. At Lamont Struthers.
As much as he can. What as Lamont Struthers is picking his shots. Basket, but now he's backing in.
Ito, nabigyan si Freddy Abuda sa gilid.
Pumasok!
Master na ni Freddy Abuda. Ito si Derek Brown. Sumaksak sa loob. Short jumper by Derek Brown. Tinabas kay Lamont Struthers. Danny Siegel, top of the key. Oh, hey! Iniwasan pa niya si Dindo Pumaren. His shot.
Three-point shot.
Here's Andy.
Again, they run that play. They're low.
Nilabas na naman kay Danny Siegel up against Andy. At ito, medyo sumundot na si Andy. Dahil ine-ekis-ekisa siya nung nakababataan niyang kapatid. Patrimonio inside to Ray Evangelista. And Ray has perfected that.
Normally makes inside, hindi nila na ipapasok because Pure Food seems to be playing with a lot more intensity.
Ating mga suki sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Game 4 ng finals. Andy Siegel down the middle.
Ating kanina, ito si Andy Siegel. Very, very aggressive in going to the rhythm.
Pero napansin natin doon sa tatlong panalo ng San Miguel, nagpakita sila ng poise right when
this on a slowed down type of game, which is their style.
Oo. Ito naman, magandang pabuntay ngayon kay Andy. And Alvin Patrimonio says, maybe I should get in the picture. Taga San Miguel, gusto na nilang matapos itong seryeng ito dahil at least linggo at magpapasko na. But Derek Brown.
0-3. Where can you go? How far can you go? They're taking it one game at a time. And Dwight Lago, sabi niya.
Game. Open shot for Dwight Lago. Almost, but not quite. Offensive rebound by the MVP, pero wala. Offensive foul din ang tinawag kay Daniel Defonso into the league as a head coach.
That's right, partner. No, he's got tatlong championships na tucked under his belt.
Get to where it is, but you certainly would have wanted it to end with a championship. Another PL
to the boards because yung kanilang yung effort nila, ito nga si Derek Brown is going
to sa Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Balik naman kay Danny Siegel. Mabilis nga sila buwaba, pero naghintayan lang. Alam mo, taatrasan ko ito. Libre na naman si Boybridge Victoria, PLDT IDD.
And you know he can score, partner. You know that he's got a mismatch inside.
Oh! Slam! Jam! Amigo na sa Bacolod kag sa Iloilo.
Alam mo, partner, meron tayong napansin dito. But before that, eto, field goals. We saw, kaagad binalik ni Joseph Wichico si Danny Ildefonso. Bakit kanyo? Because Ildefonso can run circles around file. Pero partner, no need for that because eto si Boybridge Victoria has just scored his third three-point shot.
Pangatlo, PLDT IDD long distance connection from Boybridge Victoria. Ayun na, hinahanap mo. Ganito. Nadinig yata ni EJ Pal.
Yung depensa kay Derek Brown, really matindi na yun.
Yan naman yung galaw ni Lamont Struthers na 18 points. 5 of them here in the second quarter. Long shot by the captain. Foods and 6 out of 10 of San Miguel. Statistics brought to you by QuickType. The all-in-one glue technology by Loctite. Another drive-in play.
Keep sa gitna, partner. No? It's very tight inside. Oh, what a move!
Shifty move by Danny Siegel. Tatlo na ang kalamangan ng San Miguel. Titira ng 3.
Oh, yes.
Dindo Pumaren with the PLDT IDD Long Beach Victoria. Pumaren pa rin. Got away! Whoa! Back-to-back hits by Uy na naman sa dito. 3-point shot. Wala. EJ Pyle trying to get the rebound. Whoops! Yes! Okay. You'll take the 2 points anyway. Alam mo, si Lamont Struthers pa yata yung nakikipag-agawan sa kanya sa likod. Sa Danny Siegel. Pero yung nga, inangat lang niya yung bola. Okay na yan. Samantala, 2:52 remaining in the second quarter. Time break. Narito si Danny Siegel against Alvin Patrimonio. Oh, naku, wala na magagawa si Alvin doon. Talagang dinikitan na niya ng husto. Back. Fresh shot clock here for Pure Foods. Pero tumira na kagad siya ang kapitan dahil libre.
Maganda yun, partners.
Points now for the four-time MVP.
At yan ang sinasabi natin. Oho! Nakawala! And they count it!
Na naman ni
They
Danny Siegel.
count it! Yes, partner. No, they take what the defense gives. Ito nakita natin. Danny Siegel going strong.
Sumabit pa si Dindo Pumare. You saw that on a slow-mo replay. Brown na naman. Nabitawan. Natapik. Nakuha. Nakuha ni EJ File.
Ito na dito sa ating finals. But Struthers does the things that you need from an import to make your team win.
Oh! Well, actually, he created that situation.
Alam mo, partner, very quiet na dito si Derrick Brown. Uy, si Alvin Patrimonio, nakawala. But
Ayun naman.
scores.
Yan naman ang veteranong galaw ni Alvin. After Andy Siegel, balik ulit kay Ray for the jumper. Uy, ayan, pagka si Ray naman
No?
Oo.
I'm sure Coach Joseph Vichico must have talked about that at halftime, partner, no?
Eto, umi-score pa si Alvin Patrimonio. Eto, si Andy Siegel, pumupwesto na naman laban kay Danny Ildefonso. There's a double chain. Oh! Ano ito?
Wala yan.
The offensive board, walang mapuntahan. He throws it out. Nakuha, this is the bullet. And this is gone. Aba, binigay pa kay Derrick Brown with a no-fear slam. None at all. Andy Siegel inaatrasan si Nick Benasco. And he scores on a looper. Behind Andy Siegel. Oh, fancy pass to Derrick Brown. Hindi lang pumasok yung reverse layup. That would have been really something.
Zaire.
Oh. Ito, Olsen Racela. Hits pay dirt on the PLDT.
Andy Siegel at saka si Nick Velasco are still exchanging words. Alam mo, magkaibigan yung dalawa.
Oh yes, alam natin yan.
Pero dito, championship winning time.
Dindo Pumaren slapping Andy Siegel to tell him to snap out of it. Well, since double technical foul, ito, teka muna, kinakausap ni referee Ernie De Leon, yung dalawang team captain, si Alvin Patrimonio at si Olsen Racela. Ito, pinapaliwanag naman ni referee Bernarte. Okay, Dindo Pumaren. Nakita niya si Derrick Brown libre sa corner.
Mabigat yun.
USA collect, fast break. At dito naman, lumay up si Lamont Struthers with his left hand higher. At oops.
Alam mo, wala nang brother-to-brother relationship dito.
Panlima na, pang-apat pa lang ni Andy Siegel.
He's got to control himself, partner, no? Andy Siegel is a vital cog.
And he did a very good job nursing his one foul. Hands-on para sa Viva Vintage Television. And Danny Siegel is wide open for the PLDT IDD lock. Ito na naman! O, teka. Sabi niya, pahiyang. Binigay kay Olsen!
Ito naman!
PLDT! It is down to a 5-point lead by Pure Foods. EJ File gets it back. Yan ang sinasabi natin. Dapat magawa yan ni EJ File. Abutin mo
ng posisyon ito si EJ File underneath the basket. You need to put a body on EJ File and not give him that opportunity to score on the offensive tip.
Wait. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Derrick Brown beats it.
Beautiful pass, partner. Dindo Pumaren getting the job done. Again, yung kanyang leadership quality. No?
Oh. Danny Siegel wide open! Ay, nako. Libre. 23 na po ang ginagawa ni Danny Siegel. Derrick Brown in time.
Oh, yes.
Whoa!
Got it back.
Ang dami nito. Ay, Siegel against Derrick Brown. He gets away. EJ File is right. Woo! Look at EJ File go! Oh! Slam! That was a Super Bowl kasi tapal by Dwight Lago. Pero ito,
si EJ File,
11 points na si EJ File.
Si Castillo, but they quickly rotate.
Nick Velasco was wide open for that.
Especially dito sa fourth period where he needs to score.
Uy.
Oh, yes!
Dalawa na. Tumulong na si Lamont.
A little bit of trivia about Lamont Struthers' partner. After high school, he didn't go straight to college. He took a year off and worked in a meat packing plant in Suffolk, Virginia while playing in recreational basketball leagues para makatulong sa kanyang pamilya.
To cut the lead down to 8. Pero nalibre si Noy Castillo!
Oh, yes! Mabigat yun!
PLDT Monyo against Lamont Struthers. Inside to Derrick Brown! What a play! To Noy Castillo. Castillo sumaksak sa loob. Left hand and left is good!
And again, a lane in.
Para sa Pure Foods, those stats brought to you, of course, by QuickTime, the all-in-one glue, technology by Loctite. 19 na.
on second chance points for San Miguel's defense.
Biggest lead in the game for Pure Food, 7-2. Oh! Andy Single blocking his younger brother. And talagang gigil na gigil si Andy. Sabi niya, anong kapatid? Oh, pinagsasabihan pa niya. Oy, Totoy, ha? Huwag kang ganyan. And the crowd loves it.
Oh, partner Andy.
With only 5 minutes remaining.
Oh, partner, let's give you an update dito in terms of total rebounds. It's Pure.
People like File, Patrimonio, and even Evangelista lording it over the boards. Talagang lalaki yung rebound. Sumira na naman sila mong dito. Hindi nakita, pero nakita niya naman yung slow-mo. But Andy Siegel getting it all back.
Yes.
Boy beats Victoria. Oh, nice getaway from Dito Pumaran. And a layup by Boy beats Victoria despite the
Points.
Ang layo nito.
Wala.
Mahina, pero he
Siya
gets it
nakakuha.
back. Yes! Oh, redeeming him. Patrimonio trips. Andy Siegel na wala bola. Dwight Lago up to Lamont Struthers. Ay, he's gone. He is gone. Walo na lang. Pumaran is hemmed in. Oh! Back booster! Back booster! Tuloy-tuloy! Layup is! And the lead is down to 6! 3 minutes of the game. But he has done a really tremendous job on defense at dito sa fast break play. Alam naman natin yan, ha? Biro mo, coming off cold from the San Miguel Beer at Pure Foods. 3-point shot by Lamont Struthers!
And that is
Oh!
partner cushion.
Oo, kailangan nila yan. They need it badly. They wanna prevent a shutout.
Another 3-point shot.
Struthers takes it. Wala. Offline. And dito Pumaran. From
Pure Foods that they can play with pride, partner. No?
Oo,
That
totoo
was the
yan.
whole story here.